There are several ways to generate retirement income in using an annuity. There's a very safe method when you can use a fixed index or a fixed annuity that basically protects your principal so you can have no losses. Think of that as the bond allocation of your portfolio. But there's also variable annuities. They allow you to fully participate in the market just as you would with your regular brokerage account, except for a price, they will protect your earnings so that in the future you can have some level of guaranteed income. Those are generally the two ways to do it. With most of the clients I work for, they decide that, hey, I need peace of mind and I need safety. That's why I'm coming to an annuity. A fixed annuity or a fixed index annuity tends to be the best strategy for those situations because they will know exactly what the guaranteed minimum income they can get at any point in time in the future, and they know that's like replacing a pension. If I do have great returns or the market's up, that can only increase my income in the future. And the great part about that is now annuities are not stagnant. You can get inflation protected annuities. As we know, as the cost of goods go up, we need more income to cover our base expenses, and commission-free annuities can offer that.